Welcome to our educational series, where we delve into the fundamental economic concepts that shape global trade. Today, we embark on a journey to explore the intriguing world of economic advantages, specifically, comparative and absolute advantage. These concepts are the cornerstones of international trade, influencing how countries interact and prosper in the global market. Our mission is to unravel these principles, shedding light on how they drive specialization and enhance economic cooperation. By understanding these advantages, we can appreciate the intricate dynamics of trade and its profound impact on economies worldwide. So let's begin this enlightening exploration and discover the true power of economic advantages in shaping our world. Comparative advantage is a powerful economic concept that drives global trade. It occurs when a country can produce a good at a lower opportunity cost than others, sacrificing less of other goods to produce it. By specializing in these goods, countries can trade, maximizing resources and boosting economic growth. For instance, if country A excels in producing wine at a lower cost, while country B is better at making cheese, both benefit by trading. This specialization enhances productivity and fosters international cooperation, creating a win-win situation for all parties involved. Absolute advantage is a straightforward economic concept. It refers to a country's ability to produce more of a good using the same amount of resources as another country. Unlike comparative advantage, which focuses on opportunity costs, absolute advantage emphasizes sheer productivity. For example, if country A can produce 100 cars using the same resources that country B uses to produce 80, country A has an absolute advantage. Understanding this distinction helps us see how countries can benefit from focusing on their strengths, maximizing output, and engaging in beneficial trade relationships. Opportunity cost is a fundamental economic concept, guiding countries in trade decisions. It represents the value of the next best alternative foregone when a choice is made. In trade, opportunity cost helps nations determine which goods to specialize in based on comparative advantage. By focusing on producing goods with the lowest opportunity cost, countries maximize efficiency and output. This strategic specialization enhances trade and fosters global economic growth and collaboration. Understanding opportunity cost is essential for making informed decisions that lead to prosperous trade relationships. Specialization is a cornerstone of successful trade. By honing in on their strengths, countries can produce goods more efficiently, leveraging their comparative advantage. This focus boosts production and enhances quality. When nations specialize, they trade more effectively, exchanging what they produce best for what others excel in. This mutual exchange leads to greater economic efficiency and prosperity. Imagine a world where every country tries to produce everything on its own. It would be chaotic and inefficient. Instead, specialization allows for a seamless flow of goods, creating a win-win situation for all involved, paving the way for a more interconnected global economy. Imagine two countries, each with unique strengths and resources. When they decide to trade, they agree on specific terms, known as the terms of trade. These terms dictate the rate at which goods are exchanged, influenced by each country's opportunity costs and advantages. For instance, if one nation excels in producing electronics while another specializes in agriculture, their terms of trade will reflect these strengths, ensuring both benefit. By negotiating favorable terms, countries optimize trade relationships, leading to enhanced economic cooperation and mutual prosperity. Terms of trade balance the scales of global commerce, driven by each nation's advantages. Now, let's delve into real-world examples to see these economic principles in action. Consider Brazil and China. Brazil has a comparative advantage in producing coffee due to its favorable climate and vast plantations. Meanwhile, China excels in manufacturing electronics, thanks to its advanced technology and skilled labor force. By trading coffee for electronics, both countries benefit from each other's strengths, maximizing economic gains. Similarly, let's examine the trade dynamics between the US and Canada. The United States possesses an absolute advantage in producing agricultural products, leveraging its expansive farmlands and innovative techniques. On the other hand, Canada has a comparative advantage in timber production, with abundant forest resources. Through trade, the U.S. can focus on agriculture, while Canada specializes in timber, allowing both nations to enjoy a higher standard of living than if they relied solely on domestic production. These examples illustrate how countries utilize comparative and absolute advantages to optimize trade strategies, leading to enhanced efficiency and prosperity. By applying these economic concepts, nations achieve greater cooperation and mutual benefits. As we conclude our exploration, let's reflect on the transformative power of trade. Through specialization, countries focus on producing what they excel at, paving the way for remarkable efficiency and growth. This cooperation allows nations to enjoy a greater variety of goods and services than they could achieve alone. By embracing economic collaboration, countries unlock the potential for higher consumption and prosperity, benefiting all parties involved. It's a testament to how interconnected our world has become, where the gains from trade transcend borders, enriching lives globally. As we grasp these concepts, we see the undeniable value of working together for shared economic progress. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of economics. If you found these insights valuable, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more educational content that dives deeper into the principles shaping our global economy. Together, let's continue to explore and understand the forces that drive trade and prosperity.